or unless you want to do a sugaring. So hold on, do I have a sugaring, the black one here? If not, then we are going to using this one. So I am going to using a gel painting, and is in with the precision brush in the bottles. Hello Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, YouTube, and of course TikTok. Thanks so much for tuning in. And this is really precise, and the long bristle, so then you can do a really precise line. So I'm gonna get the Moses off, and it's really, with the gel painting, it's really is thick consistency, so it's give you easy way for you to create it. And a knee, and then, you know, keep in mind, if you want to, you can definitely top it with the matte top coat to make it easy. But if not, you can definitely paint it right on the top of the gel polish. With the bristle, is really precise, so then you can create it so many swirl designs. I'm gonna get that one. And then it's really simple. You can create it so many different ways to do it. It doesn't have to be in particular. I want to keep some space, so then I can add some charms in there. And then keep in mind, you can absolutely add it on, sprinkle the glitter. So now if you sprinkle glitter on, we're gonna using a different technique. You make sure you add a no wipe top coat first before you sprinkle it in. And then I'm gonna do on this side. And with the bristle, is really precise, so then you can able to have a grip on the backgrounds easy. Yep. Add more. And you know what to do, you just using is really simple. Hold still your bristles, and then you are going to move the client's fingernails along. All right, so I'm gonna really flash here for 30 seconds. Hey Aika, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. And then I'm gonna using the condensed glue gels, and we are going to, hold on, no, let's do some foils on it, because I really want to show something cool. This is the chamfer foil number 27. It's Halloween, so I'm gonna using that, and I love this one. I want to have a Halloween's on it, the long one. So let's put the, let's apply the Premium IHO chamfer foil. Let me see somewhere. No, maybe in there. I'm going getting my Premium IHO chamfer foil gel. Oh, right here. I got it. I got my love the premium iHo transfer foil. If you are having really troubleshootings with the transfer foil and it couldn't transfer for you the way you wanted it, this going to be your bestie on the station or right next to all the transfer foil that you have. Did you get this one yet? Mm-hmm. No. 30 seconds? Mm-hmm.
You need a little more.
Yeah. Okay. So here for a 30 seconds. And in the meantime, we're waiting. I'm gonna show you what the next one I am going to do. In the next one, we are going to add the blossom gels and with the majestics and is hunter green and of course pumpkin. So we're gonna show you how to do. Is really cool. It's kind of a fall look. I'm gonna pick that one. Let me move this nails for a second. Or maybe you just add 10 seconds or whatever. No, earlier. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Let's see. I'm gonna get all of this. Can you see this? So I'm gonna give it really a good rubs on. So you ready?
Yeah.
Slow motion.
Nice and easy.
Yep, nice and easy. Guess what? Just keep in mind you can layer them. If you really want to get any of this fun designs here, you can layer them like this. And then however you would like. You can just layer them on the top and just have fun with it. Put it on the side. My God, look at this. This is really cool, stunning. I want to add this one on though. So now, if you want to add some crystal on it, this is about good time to add it on. You are going to using condensed glue gels. First step from Crystal Trifecta. And apply all and tie the nails. You know, if you know exactly where you are going to, you can apply it on, but I always doing it all and tie the nail. It doesn't make any difference because then sometimes the clients want more and add more on it than they were thinking. No web top coat. So if you want this to be finished matte, you can add the matte finish on. Okay. I'm gonna add, I want this one. They're cool. Big Halloween. But I'm gonna add something else on it instead of. Yesterday we have a squimmy face. We can get the little like No, I don't want it. Just want him like that. Because I don't want to cover the Halloween though. That's it. It's my really fun obsidian beads that are available under the $5 nail art. You can find it's really cool and a simple beads there. And it's a metal bead, so it's not like a plastics.
So never just all the charm you can buy on a single or as a set. So right now there's a Halloween charm set of 6 that you can get on our website at glitzsuccessandsuch.com.
It's really fast shipping as well. So you can get it right in your door in like a couple of days. I just love to add some of the pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice colors, crystals. This is my favorites for this season. All right, so you can add more. I just want just cool like a background, Halloween with the painting a little bit. And I'm happy with this. We are going to Kia for 60 seconds.